Hey guys, Jordan here and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, and welcome if you are new here. On this channel I do beauty and lifestyle content, and I'm just happy to have you guys here. So today I will be talking about LeChamp cosmetics. So this is going to be a review video where I'll be talking about two items that was sent to me. I got a chance to grab their vegan press powder. It's important for you guys to know that this makeup brand, it is completely vegan, it is cruelty-free makeup, and most importantly, if you are Jamaican, it is a Jamaican cosmetics brand. So LeChamp Cosmetics, they reached out to me and they sent me their press powder. So this press powder is in my shade, which is in number 4, and number 4 is Sky. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. And I also got their lip cream. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so that you can see what it looks like. I actually tried this before. So this is the color LeChamp, and I'm gonna swatch it. It's very creamy and it's very smooth. I actually like it. This is what it's looking like swatched, and I'm just excited to try the press powder and also to create today's look. So as you may notice, I have on foundation. My eyebrows, they are done. I need to fix this one though, it's kind of looking ratchet, but my eyebrows done, my hair is already done. So let us just jump into this tutorial.
Okay, so I already had on foundation as I mentioned earlier. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and do my contour and my highlight. I am using my NYX concealer in True Beige, and then I'm going to mix that with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade True Beige and Cool Tan.
But then again, we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon.
So after I blended that out, I decided to go in with a little bit of a lighter shade of concealer. And I'm just using my finger to press that underneath my eye area just to give me a little more coverage. And I also did the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, as well as the side of my nose.
It's broken.
Now for contour, I'm going in with my Beauty Treats palette, and I'm picking up those two shades closest to my right to contour my face, to sculpt and contour my face and my nose.
But I can't abandon.
And now I'm just blending everything together using my foundation brush. This is also the brush that I used to apply my highlighter earlier.
Just too serious.
Now I went back in with the second to last lighter shade in the contour cream section of the Beauty Treats palette to add a little more concealer, pressing that in using my finger to the bridge of my nose just to carve out my contour a little more.
I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from you.
Moving on to baking, I am just lightly baking my under eye area and underneath my contour, as well as the center of my forehead, using my Sasha Buttercup loose powder. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour after. And for setting my contour, I actually went back into the Beauty Treats palette to pick up the second to last darkest shade to set that into place. And this is the shade that I was speaking about a little earlier. I'm using the BH Fairy Lights palette, and I'm just going to go off camera and do one eye, and then I'll be back. So going into the Fairy Lights palette, I picked up the shade called Precious, and I basically applied Precious all over my eyelids just as a base and a somewhat transition color. Then I went into Bliss and I applied that to the outer section and into my crease area, blending everything out as nice as I possibly could to achieve my shape. Now I went in with Edna Mode, and I also went into that same area using Edna Mode just to build up the intensity of the colors. Going back in, I decided to go with Passionate, and again I went into that same area, and my intention was to build up on that color to give it that smoky effect. Afterwards, I went into Twinkling, which is a very shimmery lighter shade of blue, and I applied that all over my eyelids. And then afterwards I went back in with Bliss just to blend everything out and diffuse any harsh lines that may have been there before. Now I'm using my MAC liquid liner just to add some volume to my eyes, and of course I'm going to be applying my mascara to my bottom and top lashes to tie the look together. I also went in with this Real Color white pencil, followed by a blue pencil that I've had for quite some time that the name has been erased from it, so sorry about that guys, just to add a little pop of blue to my lower waterline. Next I went on to lashes, which are some custom DIY lashes. Guys, be on the lookout for my lash tutorial, it's coming. So these are the lashes that I used, that I actually customized. I paired with this mink lashes that I had. I took a white pencil and I marked it the area that I wanted, then I cut it into two, used some glue, applied to that Arios lash, and then I glued it together just like that. Then I popped on some eyelash glue, and then I popped on my eyelash, and it's that simple. A more detailed tutorial is on the way. Now for the lips, I am trying the LeChamp lip cream because I want to show you guys what it looks like on my lip. I eventually did change my lip color because this was not complementing the blue as I thought it would.
So this is the final look, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Like, I'm not gonna just, not because I did it why I say I love it, but truly it really did turn out nicely. And this is definitely a blue smoky eye look. So if you've been here since the inception of my page, or if you just discovered my page and you've watched a few of my videos, you know my absolutely two go-tos in terms of tying my whole makeup together, melting everything together, is either two of the Milani's pressed powder. It's either the Milani Mineral pressed powder in the shade 108, which is medium, or the regular Milani pressed powder in the shade Golden, which is 09. Those are my two ride or dies. Like, when it comes on to putting everything together, I just believe that these two brands, these two products do the job so well. But comparing these two to the LeChamp Cosmetics pressed powder, I am definitely gonna say, and this is not because it was sent to me or because I know the owner, it's because it is really a good product. It's just look at my face, like this tied everything together. So I don't know if you use Sasha Buttercup loose powder, but sometimes it tends to be a little on the yellow side of things, the banana one especially, and that's the one that I always use. But by using that and then by setting my contour and using the LeChamp and by using the LeChamp Cosmetics pressed powder just to set everything into place, I think that it did a great job. It did an excellent job compared to the two products that I usually use, and I would recommend you guys to try this product out. Now I do have a discount code for you guys just in the event that you are interested. That is LeChamp 10. So by using LeChamp 10, this will get you 10% off any product guys, off their website. So I would advise you to go ahead and check them out. I'm going to also place the discount code in the description bar for you guys down below so they can check that out. And yeah, it's just a really good, and their tagline is naturally for us, which is women of color. So yeah, if you're a woman of color and you love to use pressed powder like I do, give them a go, check them out, and let me know your thoughts. Come back to this video and let me know your thoughts as to what their product has to offer, and check out their lip cream too. I mean, the one that I got, it didn't really complement my overall look, but I do believe that it's of a good consistency, and I love the feel of it on my lips. So give it a try, let me know, and as usual, thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm going to invite you right now to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is free of cost, guys, and it does help my channel out so much, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys who has been here from day one. If you are new to the family, I welcome you as well. I just love each and every one of you, and thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. So until next time, guys, walk good, be safe, stay safe. I love you all. Bye.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.